Hi, Chanty. It's me, and you tried to call me or FaceTime me. Well, guess what? I'm not at home. I'm not at work, but I'm out at, where am I? I'm out in Julian, and I'm out apple picking. Yes, that's right. I'm out harvesting apples. This is a Empire apple, and I am out picking out here in, I don't even know what this place is called, San Ynez or wherever it is called, out in Julian. So I'm out picking apples all by myself. Nobody was able to go, and I know that with school and everything, you guys couldn't do it, and I don't know when else to do it. And I've been wanting to do this again for years. So as a gift to myself, I'm doing this by myself. Anyway, I couldn't get the Facebook times to work, so I wish you all were here. I want to do this with you girls and everybody, so hopefully we can do it soon. So I'm going to do this video letting you know where I'm at. I love you girls, and I'm going to gather as many apples as I can. They're very small apples. They're not the grocery store apples. They're organic, and I'll try to bring some home. Hopefully I'll have time to make something, maybe. Who knows? Love you. Bye. Family picking apples too. It's wonderful. My bags are down there. It's beautiful out here. Guys, finding all your apples? Come on, Mom.